How to block users on Bluesky. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily block any user on Bluesky. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. Turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Bluesky application and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you do that, you will be landed on your homepage. So if you want to block someone, let's say if I just scroll down my feed and I see something that I don't like or someone that I don't want to interact with, then in that case, let's say this man right here, I'm just going to tap on his profile like this. And in order to block him, right besides the follow button, here is the three dots. And from here, you can directly block this account. So it will ask you for your confirmation. And once you do that, you can just tap on block. So as you can see, this person has been completely blocked and none of his posts will be shown to me. And once you do that, you have successfully blocked a user on Bluesky. You can directly do it from the post as well. You just have to tap on the post that they have published, and from here you just tap on the three dots at the bottom and you can just directly block account like this. If you want to unblock them and if you've changed their mind, then you just have to go ahead and open your settings first. Then tap on moderations, tap on blocked accounts, and you will find all of the blocked accounts here. Tap on it to unblock like this. So that is all for this video. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.